So when I was in Nigeria, I went to Nigeria, my dear people. Wahala. When I was in Nigeria, now this idiots on that TV. Okay, we were in Nigeria in our years because that was just last 2 years here. Or we were in Nigeria now years. Or we because you know now, egbe no ma dede. Now me be that real woman, even though I don't get money for inside my wallet. If I come out for public, I can tell you I'm going to show for my body. So this mumu ekobete, he call me oh. Oh we la wo we yan te mi amemi my dia eti we ni. Na we abo sunu. Oh we daughter yin pa, we follow strong follower yin wa we no. Oh can we marriage. Now we are marriage. Now we from where? Oh what a Facebook. When you tell me you are representing any law, when you have 50,000 go me ya fee. Inakawage 50,000 me ya fee. That was the party I went to. I was praying 500 notes. A 50,000 inakawa fee. We wear the camera. Inakawa fee bundle ni 50,000 inakawa spray. If we can do you go me ya fee the woman back. This is the girl. Now Canada the girl. There you see the girl. Now the girl be this way do the wedding. You see the girl? And the girl be this. One Elema daughter like that. See? And she be this. Oh, now when he represent her, because he said no represents. Oh, I beg you. And when I enter that party that day, not be saying I shoot bird, mama fly. You sure you feel me now? You feel me? This girl. Now the girl they do any like who in television, not clear. Up till now, the girl was very loyal. She was respectful to me. You understand? She was very... the girl see me one-on-one, and the girl be this. Her fake account is Princess Nosa. That Princess Nosa fake account where they comment, now she be this. This is the girl. This is the girl. Now this is the person behind Princess Nosa. Fake account Princess Nosa. Now she be this. Now she do the marriage. Okay? You see, the girl is ungrateful, very ungrateful, mama. When you are representing him, because in Nigeria, my way, in Nigeria, now you represent. I spread the 50,000 bundle which she sent for me. Thank God for what we did now. Anyway, I call you this thing. We know you transfer. Yeah, see the person. Now I bring her out. You understand? She was begging me, la wo lao. And they come. I'm trying to see if I can bring out the guest chats. For inside Facebook. I go better you to the lie. That is why I'm just fed up about you. Like, I don't know where to start from. Making yake swing. Why are you like this? You lie too much. Huh? People just come lie. They make any access one. I did book anywhere. Princess Nosa, yeah, Princess Nosa. That's the person. Hey, a person go joke on life. Oh, what do ta. Like seriously, eh? Like seriously, are you not tired of lies? Are you not tired? Now what for you? I feel no fear go better. And if all your packet can when you pay okay a family and we have a breaking news on that. My auntie definitely, she still remember my auntie has confessed. And I will come and explain it to you guys. We betting in my door or recording or because you can't mind recording again. So there is nothing new again, my dear. Or won't anything. We have gone inside to settle it and it's fine. We are not quarreling. They are my family members, and I don't have anything against them. I want even anything against a family member. On the 31st of December 2021, this thing they find there. Now your answer is this. So why did you want? You ask why the Bible said they pay cash. The mine just starts for where for write me for the for Mommy P. God bless you for standing by Inoge and baby Nora. You are a great woman. Please don't listen to any side talk. You are great. I love you so much. You see the girl? This was it. I can't say thanks so much. It's a joy, ignore them, not rich. We are 100% with you. I can't say thanks. Then 2nd of July, he can't write me. It's me, Princess Evie on YouTube. I saw the wine you want to ship to Nigeria. Can I have your WhatsApp? I can't say, oh, sis, of course. Yeah. Mona, they read that. This is the person I went to represent to. I can't say that my number. The girl can write me. Then on the 31st of December, 2021, 31st of December, 2021. Hello sis, how are you? No worry, I dey with you. I still have wine for sale in case you want expensive wine. Then she can't reply me. You see, mind they give you, I wanna join me, they read them. So then I block all these people from distraction. Una go cry tire. Una never know us. Me. Then she can't write me, Mama, good afternoon. I dey wait for you. My hobby and 9 they handle drinks. Me and food department I did. That's okay, no wahala. I'm with you by God's grace. I also invited some of my friends. We will be more than 10 persons coming with me. You can't say no problem. She can't say I go tag Iyeki for the table. You see, I go tag Iyeki for the table. Then I can say Iyeki stroke Mommy P because Iyeki mujek beleni yamunwe because of those coming with me. You see, I can say Iyeki stroke Mommy P because of those coming with me. Because most of the people coming with me, they don't like her. They don't like Iyeki. And I don't want to make come be say they'll come they think say I they belittle myself for that refrat. I can say committee of friends of Iyeki and Mommy P. That is how you will target committee of friends of Iyeki and Mommy P. You see, you see, I say Iyeki, don't say why I know they want to identify myself with you. Eh? Neka women kwe no ye ni wejo or see maybe like say na 2 people they there. She can't say okay better. Yes, because those coming with me are mostly politicians. Yes, it's good. And other friends, I told them I'm attending my friend's wedding. I can say and other friends because I told them I'm attending my friend's wedding. She can say, no wahala, mama. I got you covered. So I can say, okay, I believe you. So she can send me number. So see the day when she writes me. Oh, wait, the number, dates. So, okay, I will send you my number. You do well. You welcome. I didn't forget how you super chat me on my YouTube. It's time for me to also pay back. And she can say, thanks. You see. After they invite me, then she can send me her Nigerian number. Her name is Ekobete. Okay, Ekobete. Okay. Then she can say, Mama, my Nigerian number. She can send me her Nigerian number. Then when I can reach Nigeria on the 5th of January, 2022, I can write her. I'm in Nigeria. I just arrived. You see, on the 5th of January 2022, I can say, I'm in Nigeria. I just arrived. She can tell me, welcome. Ekobete. We are here.
Please see where if you fit send me this video for WhatsApp because the person will do it for me send that for my messenger because I sleep off yesterday night. I just wake up now. You understand? So I know if you post them. See whether if you send that for me for WhatsApp so that I feel repost from my WhatsApp. I beg. Today is my birthday. I'm a birthday girl.
That was when they did a shout out for me for my birthday. You guys know that I'm a Gemini born. It's not easy. Also, I represent May 28th. This is my birthday month. So now the one where they say do birthday shout out for me, she can post and she can send that for me for. She can send that for me for messenger. I'm going to share. Then I send her that message that she should send it to me on WhatsApp so that I can reshare it. You see? So she can say, Mama, please send me your Nigeria account. Make I send you my cake. You see? Mommy, please send me your account. Make I send you my cake. Menoma. Maybe wow. Now I can quickly say wow. Because me, hey, man, why will Nigerian you, my dear? And she can't really send me 20,000. Was it 20,000? Yeah, 30,000. Now she sent for me 30,000. She sent me 30,000. So, Imbe SKP, now they call her Imbe SKP. Ekobete, aka Imbe SKP. Yes, she escaped Imbe. So, how come you can't say now you can't send me Nigeria? Now, let this girl party. I don't ever day Nigeria. She tell me my represent her for. So, then you know if you know what. Chai! Ekobete with so when now maybe your respect for that day. And the girl was happy. The girl is not here. Now she and her husband. I still have the pictures I took with them. Took with them. But because of her husband, I will not post the picture inside the party. Oh man, no go now. When they say gallant pic, she be like me 3 times, eh? She be like me 3 times. This Princess Nosaso. Hey! Oh, come and tell me, Baba. Ekobete. Imbe SKP. Imbe SKP. Hein? We're not escaping Imbe. Well. What did you want me to do? That's everybody will just surround you now. They just I get her pictures. Just that the pictures is me, she and her husband. But because of her husband, when I'm not training here. Because they're not trained there. And I want to put eye down. Now if I see her use that Princess Nosa, they insult me again. Now I go send that picture to my people for Canada. I get a Canada number, but now our own number. I even get our children, everything. I get their pictures. The time when she tell you then do what it called DP for WhatsApp. I have everything. So, but because of her husband, the husband appreciate my presence. 500 notes. He has spray request. Eko bete. When now even me ya say Nigeria manual manehiwe. But you man even ya say Nigeria when even ya the ticket here. Ubu the ticket here. Eko bete took ya sungu. Even not that way so ya asa. U get the ticket ni me. Even not that way say enya ya asa. U deva what? Eko bete lie too much. That's why the saga they tire me. Eko bete. Well, I just get till they feel sleep for night with all these lies. Again, here Tosha. And not only that, she's definitely not normal. Ekobete is not normal. Ekobete man normal. Imbe escape or man normal. Imbe escape is not normal. Because no normal person will sit down. We sit down and be constituting nuisance and lying on people like this. Our pictures, no, you're there inside my phone. No. I know they do. I not be Ekobete now. Ekobete know what I'm saying now. Of course. She knows what I'm saying. Ekobete minita. So, she knows what I'm saying. But I not just want. You get why? You get why? You get why? Ekobete lie too much. Ekobete lie too much. Ekobete lie too much. Ekobete lie too much. Ekobete otorigbe. Ekobete torigbe. Good evening, Naomi Grace. Perkins Michael. We not give me. Who work by boy give me? Ko ba we ni wa se no give in Nigeria. Are you okay? Mama, me Nigeria, me represent a party na self. Ye ma de ticket in me, but she paid for my hotel. That is the same time I went to parties. I will repost all the videos later. I also represented my ex-godmother in some parties that same time, that year. But my own godmother said, not even buy me ticket. I'm my woo. You imagine we could not hear. You now let this girl party now I represent you. And because she was also my follower and when they give me super chat for YouTube. Or jamais les jours. What is your problem? Why are you lying? And you think me I will come and sit here, I'll come they follow you, they do these lies. Then secondly, my people, for your information, Mommy IT Douglas remove her matter for your man. She not be your mate. When we are in now, we social media say, because that woman is a no-nonsense woman. Or when you need to know women, need time our batty mama and don't bear with social media. We are here. When it's now, because I know nothing like that. You don't even know her, and she don't even want to know you. If there is anybody that disgusts Mommy IT Douglas, is you. Is you. So stay away from her. If you know we're not taking that honey, I will not take it from you. When it's now, every other ones where they talk for social media, every other presenters, I don't see them. My target is Ekobete, and I'm very happy that I'm fulfilling my target. That is it. But she should stop lying. She should stop lying. We get a taban. We have video of Vanna. Not a see a pie de Murphy you were. Hey! My God. Can't you just fight alone? Did you see me dragging people to join me fight? Only me yak be away. You're not nothing. I don't associate myself with a junkie, please. I'm sorry. That one they depressed, I beg. So, una take me a see pie de Murphy. Na see yo. My people might tell na say pie de Murphy. E pie de Murphy na gie kwa. He's a father. He not mind you. That day they even they beg me, say man, not even reply you. Now them na a pie the monthly. Though some under crow they go call a pie the monthly. I see here. A passe mia mia. A passe mia mia. I just a fool on ourselves. Well, no fit cause problem between me and my people. One man why 6 years on in Maria or why man Maria was banning your social media. But by the monthly they laugh now. My dear people, Enogie fans, I'm not bringing you guys to the past. What is out the past already, you know? What happened? We say 2 years ago, you guys know the quarrel that happened between Enogie and Epai de Murphy, which is his godfather. Or more no ko bete in be escape na yana no ya seto yana ya zege mo peace ambassador no ge make another de ba yan gbe na. You understand? So you guys know then my wife was pregnant of twins. And why we okwoni that lady here they no I better not leave her. So that time that girl now Italy she for come here. So she not get a person for here, and person she be relying on was a power wife. And that time they were really quarreling. We all saw the quarrel, it was too much. Which after the birth of the baby, I went there to, you know, help them and everything as a sister that I am to him. So that thing was not okay with Eddie Murphy, then Epa Eddie Murphy. So because of Epa knew that Epa social media president better. Because a social media president knew that I was close to Enogie, when I was in Nigeria, he wanted to embarrass me with police by writing a petition on me. On that fateful day, on the 16th of January, on the 16th, I was in my twin sister wedding ceremony with my sisters and my friends. We were just coming in. As we were coming in, one girl, it was a lady that pointed and said, she's the one. Then the one man stood up. Is that Mrs. Precious Meg? I said, yes, how can I help you? He said, yeah, we are from the state CID or something like that. Can you come with us to the police station? I said, for what? Yeah, there is a petition against you, madam. I said, from who? They said, we can't tell you until you come to the police station. I said, I'm sorry, as you can see, I'm here in an occasion, so if there is any need for me to come with you guys, that will be tomorrow. From then, my sister just waka come when she see me and then they talk. You understand? As my sister just waka come, they just see my sister, they greet my sister, hello madam, well done madam, because they know my sister. And my sister say, what is happening here? They say, no, we are with they are inviting me. And then my sister say, how dare you? Huh? Did your CP know? Did your DCP? They called them know about it. He say yes. And so my sister just said, you can go. This is my elder sister. Tell your Oga say we will come see him tomorrow. You understand? So my sister just put a call through and say your boys are here embarrassing my elder sister for what? Neither one say, sorry madam. So they did not know that it was my elder sister. I was her elder sister. So from there, now we come to now the CP can't give them. They can't give the order. Say me they come back to their office. They can't go back to their office. Me come dey inside patio. I come dey dance. I enjoy myself that day. Even they do live video. As me they do live video. Now they come better. They come inside party. Me no quit here. As I come, they call me. What did they happen? The time I come to here, he say, Lawa just did live video. Lawa say Precious Meg has been I've been arrested. Am I okay? Now say I'm okay. What did they happen? He said because Lawa just a poor father. He say they don't arrest Precious Meg. Say me. He said, but I did live video. It's not be live video me day so. I did live video. I come to show inside party. He said, no, wow. Now say, but I tomato soon. Now say, but we don't sort our mats. So the next day when we can't reach police station, we can't go see the CP in the morning. That one we just office that for inside office there, inside AC. We can't the gist. As with the gist, now you can't tell me say and I want man. Normally, if somebody writes a petition on you, they are not allowed to tell you what is in the cocoa, you know, waiting there inside, because they are gonna use it for investigation. But because of might just leave and like that, might cut and short, they have to tell us what was inside the petition. You understand? Precious, give me the black phone quick. I think it's on the other phone. They have to tell me what was on the petition. As I see, as we just see, and based on say we did smart, we just quickly snap the petition. Condense our phone. I need the black phone. Now say I can't reach that. Now I say you reach hotel. Now say, hey, Monica, see what a papi go right against me. Oh. No, I don't want. Yes, go. I don't want you. Now I say, see what a papi go right against me. Oh, he say waiting. Say he. See a pa say, his mama get his mama he get IBP because me I go do something like obituary. His mama don't go see saying me I go do obituary on her, saying don't die, he don't die. So as his mama see his mama faint, you know say for Facebook na normal thing. Wait come. Man, sure now. I just want flash anyway. See. Say I go print, and this thing was printed 2017. Let me zoom it. It was printed, you see, 2017. In the fake account do. Say I can't go do obituary for with this poster saying don't buy. See, in 2017, I the printer. So. Now they can say why it can't be saying na 2022. Now it can't bring a mat. If I can say na so into na that into sian. How they do the burial arrangement, which this thing I don't me and Epa don't agree to make it go swear for this thing. Maybe not God still say make it happen. I see as Epa be that time. Epa was still very young with the picture when they take do. I mean now we fake account who or woman. I am web not talk bomber. Now let this one I'll talk about. The other ones are waiting to talk, which is not necessary. These are the petition. They write against me when they show me. You understand? Yeah. You see, these are the petition when they write against me. Now I can't send them. I can't send them go meet Kobete in bed escape. Say what if I go write about me because of a no game matter. And it was also because of a doggy. That's why you see, say, if no get they offend me, I will they vex.